What's going on, guys? Anime Unboxer here with the 2011 tins. Picked them up from Walmart for $19.98. Picked up both. This was the only one left at Walmart. Got this, and then there are tons of these. Of course, these are the tins with the pot of duality. So I'll start off with this guy. See what we got in the packs. See what the cards are. Pretty much all the cards that I get are most likely going to be on sale at my eBay page, so take a look at that. Let's open up the promo packs. And here's the pot. So all of these cards will be on my eBay page. I won't be selling this one. Moving on to the packs we have in this box. Two Ragnarok, Extreme Victory, and two of the Hidden Arsenal 4. Let's start with Ragnarok. Not expecting anything from these boosters. Let's skip to the Stardust Phantom. And oh wow. Oh way. No way. A Ghost ODIN, Father of the Aesers. Oh sweet. My very first ghost card. Holy smokes. Wasn't expecting a ghost. Very nice. Definitely this will not be on sale. But, yeah. Wow. Very nice. Moving on to the next pack. Got an Overpowering Eye. And look, wow, another one. Non-ghost. Just regular ODIN, Father of the Aesir, so I got two. One of them will hit up on sale on eBay. Let's take a look at Extreme Victory. Pretty good cards. As for the synchros for the gods, let's see if we can pull some holo in this pack. TG Striker. That's all. Move on to Hidden Arsenal. We got a Synchro. Let's go right here. That's about it. Final pack. People Unicorn. Anything else? Doesn't look like it. Well, guys, this is the 2011 tin opening. Some of the good cards would be this Synchro dude right here. This Synchro. Of course, the promo pack card. The good old pot here. A ODIN, Father of the Aesir. And, of course, the very sleek and sexy Ghost ODIN. Looks very nice. I'll be unboxing the other one, so make sure you guys are a subscriber to take a look at that. Anyway, guys, this has been Sam, and I will see you again for more Yu-Gi-Oh! And more anime.